Center webere kwano jeno misro kono tufollowinga amakutu bwetu gwa YouTube bitu nikusaba basokono subscribinga likinge sharinge kandi tubashe kuretera amakuru menshi nakurira izoba nakuretera amakuru ku rugo muri district ya Kasese ubu Omushaija w'imyaka 55 ayisirwe Enjojo kandi babe nakuma emisiriye ahubwo kigama ngo Enjojo baye babyamere nuko kusaramu kwiza ikabasanga aho kandi Omushaija ageza kugira ngo warwanira amagara g'umutabano weye atakitwa Enjojo nuko kumiyomagara genseje
Tumetoa nzurira yando mame kongo ne toma chitochi tumetwabire chitocha tomali mitochi toma kolechi tomikalo kwa butani itweri bitu nikero kwa butani tukacha micho wenzo ikacha micha seka tutebetere erikahayi okwa butani irimare no tulia kwine paka yiyi iyo henzo ikanza kulukira hayiko kolechi hayika hulukira nerikabika huluke tokolechi itwalendayo niribete mwe ikaza kondesa alivyali tuma kolechi tomara kai yamendo mame kongo betu twale ka mame kongo hatiya makolechi ya matwase bali abantu tukabayamba abo abarumya sibaratuyamba amazima sibaratuyamba kunde munabwire mwika yabisuri atadira musoro kusaitana abarumi abarenje mubakasasinga sayikumi sa munanishe chero ebakasa mubati tuyikako tukalinda nenzo mwabwe bekusa sibali tuyikako.
A farmer who has been here for some time growing his crops was attacked by the elephant. This land borders the Queen Elizabeth National Park. The elephant problem is not new, did not start yesterday. It has been here for quite a long time. We have had elephant attack for quite a long time. It's not only elephant, also buffaloes and other park animals. So this problem has persisted for quite a long time. We have had a number of meetings with Uganda Wildlife Authority, with other authorities, to make sure that we fight the problem of animals. Government should look into the Wildlife Act, which was signed by the President of Uganda, and it has taken long before it is in place. We have had a very, very big loss within this community and around the communities living around the park. Why can't the act work? This person has died, the family now is going to suffer. Why can't there be compensation? Then what about the electric fence? Electric fence has been talked about for quite a long time. Can it also come in the Karusandara sub-county so that people can be saved from animals? Then reinforcement. The park rangers are not enough. In this ranger post here of Chondo, we have only 3. I want you to imagine 3 manning 15 kilometers from Kasese up to Kanyatete. It's really a long way that 3 people cannot manage that. They can't help the community to fight the animals. So I appeal to government to seriously put an effort and let this family be compensated. Not only here, not only this family, but also other families that have suffered the problem of animals.
Ebyo biro kandi amakuru g'obusasa kano gawukiriza ningira ngo abakukwataho aba park uwa mureke ngo masoko no mugeno minsi no kurebeka ngo mwayamba amagara g'abantu ningasi okutekaho ekitimba ekikutangira enyamishwa obutaza omu bihingwa by'abatuzi.